Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video of my YouTube channel. I have started making videos on the AI based products such as AI based products in the domain of writings, chatbots, video editing, marketing and related stuff. So I have been exploring now about the chatbots. So in this video, I am here with the four chatbots, which is the HuggingChat, Character.ai, UChat, and POE by Quora. So let's start with the first app, which is basically the POE by Quora. So this chatbot was developed by the Quora, and it offers you not a conversational chatbot, but you can have YouTube recommendations from here. You can have blog writing, and you can make a quiz based Harry Potter quiz chatbot. Okay, so you can have many uh, kind of chatbots in it. You can also create images with it, and you can have some official chatbots such as chatbot 4, Claude 2, and chatbot 16K. Basically, these all of these are created by these by Quora. So from this, you can use their data set and train your own chatbots as well. And you can also make some conversation with it based on these existing chatbots. Okay, so this is a platform, or this is a platform where you can use existing chatbots by the community, and you can also train your own customized chatbots. So all of these are the AI powered chatbots. This is also available for Apple users and Android users in the form of an application. So if we see its app store overview, so this is from the Apple store. You can see they are say claiming that keeps your chat history, explore bots more powerful, and it is fast. It is using GPT-4 and Llama 2 models in their recent updates, because Llama 2 is also commercially available, and the Falcon 180B as well, but most of its chatbots are trained on the chat GPT-4. So if you don't want to purchase this premium version of ChatGPT, you can have this as well for your to work. So the second one is the Character.ai. This chatbot is this platform is very amazing, and it is free to use. Here you can make customized characters. You can make your customized chatbots, and you can use such as its working is same as this previous application, but it is more in depth and more better than the previous one. And also you can have sample prompts here, play a game, brainstorming ideas, and practice interviewing, write a story, help me to make a decision, get a book recommendation. And also you can create, these are all created by the community. So you can enjoy the bots and applications created by the community as well, and you can also ask it to make a very customized uh, feature for you. So if you click on this query brainstorm ideas, and it will provide you with a sample prompt, and after that you can. Okay, you see, it is saying that this brainstormer chatbot is made by some XYZ person. So when you ask it to brainstorm ideas, it has replied, okay, what do we need to come up with interesting idea about? So making YouTube video. Let's ask it. So I'm here working as a guest. Okay, so brainstormer is asking what kind of video do you want to make? Vlog, prank, instructional, makeup, or tutorial? Okay, so I'm providing it with the prompt that tutorial on the AI based applications. So now I have started discussion with it. Okay, it is providing us some ideas, making games on Roblox, designing mobile apps, building a website with Wix using Blender, making a game with Unity and C language, 3D animator using Blender. So it has provided me with some kind of ideas. So this is also a very good tool to work on, and it is very handy and it is very useful. You should start it. Its beta version is available. The link to this tool is available in the description of this video. The next is you.com. So basically U is stands for who are you. It is a AI based chatbot which is used for the search purposes. So you can use it for images, videos, news, maps and socials. And its pro version is also available, but you can enjoy its standard free version. And you can ask it everything here. Provide me with video ideas. Okay, so it is free to use. You have to simply provide your prompts. So when I inputted it, it has provided me some web results as well. So if I want to, apart from this bot, I can look into the Google, and all the trending sources and videos are available for it. Okay, so it has also provided me with the response. These apart from this web results, day in the life, product reviews, tutorials are how to, challenge videos, travel vlogs, Q&A sessions, behind the scene collaborations, top 10 lists, personal story or testimonials. So it has provided me with the 10 ideas. I liked the I liked it response, and it is very comprehensive, and I found this very interesting related web results. So I think that this tool is also very good to use, and you can also benefit from it in case of our uh, YouTube. In case we want to use a chatbot in our daily life. So I liked it. So the last but not least, the last one is the Hugging Chat. So Hugging Chat basically is being used for the uh, API purposes, and the current model I have selected here is Llama 270B. So Hugging Chat is available on the Hugging Face space. So its benefit is we can use any model from the Hugging Face models which are available in the Hugging Face spaces, and we can ask it from that. So now I have selected currently Llama 270B. I have many. We can try Falcon 180B. We can try Code Llama. We can many. We can use many models from it. So I have selected Llama 270B, which is a very state of the art and recent and latest model. So, so I have asked it a prompt, write an email from bullets. So when I click here, it will start drafting, and after that it will provide me. It has provided some error here. That is because of I think I have lost my internet connection. So it can also provide us in search from web, just like it, and it is pretty much easy to use. So let me paste this prompt. I have again entered my prompt. Last time it did not provide me with the response because my internet connection was lost. So I have tried to restore it. Let's see if it provides us the response. But the from if you are working, if you are using the Hugging Chat, you will not have such kind of refined response as you might be familiar with the Jasper AI or the Chat GPT, because all of those tools are customized as per the customer demands. But the Hugging Chat is for the testing purposes. You can test it on several kind of data sets, and you can use it in your domains. So I have not received its response. That might be due to this reason, because some internet connection is interrupting me. But the link to this is available in the description of this video. You can test it, you can enjoy it, and I will request you to please visit these websites and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will explore 4 more